What's up, guys? I hope you guys are really good days of trading. And I think today we have to make a big update because I know some people are getting really bearish, some are getting really bullish right now at those prices. Okay, but listen, guys. At first, that was what we were looking for. Okay, 50k. That's what we're still looking for. Okay, but guys, listen. Okay, as long as we stay below this area at 59k, we cannot be sure, we cannot be convinced that we're gonna go at this area. Okay, listen, guys, because let's say today we had a off FOMC, right? And guess what happened, guys? Okay, we had a big rejection here, and that's really not a good sign. I'm just saying that's not a good sign. Okay, you can see over here we had a big rejection here. Okay, even if like the market decide to go back above here, it does not mean we're bullish. Okay, it does not mean we're bullish, because we have to be sure that we're gonna go back up. Okay, it's not mean we go back here like in this area and then we can clearly go down again. It does not matter. Okay, that's really important to understand that. Okay, and so far right now, I don't like this. Okay, I do not like this. Okay, to be sure, to be convinced that we're gonna get $75,000, we need something like this. Okay, let me show you. We need something like this. We go up, really up, and then we do a small correction, and then we get in over here. But as long as I don't get that, as long as I don't have that, I cannot be convinced that we're gonna get $75,000. Okay, but for sure it's a good price to. I mean, it's a good price to buy for trading, right? But listen, okay, listen. I'm not convinced. Okay, I'm not convinced. Let's say I want to buy here. Okay, let's say we buy in Syria right now at 58k. Let's say we want to buy here at $58,000. Okay, guess what? You risking a 10k drop. Okay, you're risking a 10k drop. So if you're trading, if you take leverage, you should not take leverage right now. Cause you're taking a lot of risk, guys. Okay. And I know that a lot of people think we're gonna go back above here at 59k and we out of the water, but no, that's not the reality, guys. This is not the reality. And I know some people gonna think, oh, we have bottom here, look, we have a bottom here, we're going up, so people start buying at these prices. Okay, but this is not the reality. Okay, this not, no, guys. I have to be convinced that we're going back up. I need a big pump, and that's not what, so far this is not what we're getting. And I'm not even sure that we're gonna go back at 50 at this target. I'm not even sure. We can clearly just go down from here, and we just go down, and then you buy and you trap in. Okay, so be really careful, guys. Okay, like I said, we have to get above $75,000. If not, do not be a buy. Okay, do not. You're taking a lot of risk. Like, let's say you buy here and you convince. Okay, but no one has a crystal ball. Like, you convinced that we're going back above here, right? But actually we're not gonna go. And guess what happened, guys? Guess what's gonna happen? You're risking like a 10k drop from here, at least to this area. I mean this area, right? So yeah, so guys, we're between. Okay, it's not a good place to buy right now. It's not a good price to buy right now. Like I said, we do not have a crystal ball. Okay, so please, guys, do not buy right now. Just be patient and wait, because I know a lot of people, they're gonna buy over here right now. They think, oh, it's over to test the dip. The dip is over. Okay, and then we get above, and then we're not getting above, and then you're risking to drop. Okay, so guys, please be patient. Okay, be patient, because that's really risky. At first we were looking for this. Okay, but let's say we go a lot back. Let's say we go, let me delete everything, let me take off all this, because okay, let's say we take off all this. Alright, let's go in 4 hours, it's gonna be better. Okay, and yeah, so if you buy over here because you're convinced you're going to $75,000, I guess, and then it does the opposite, right? you trap, you fucked, you know. And you got no clue when you got no clue when it's gonna stop dropping. You get literally no clue when it's gonna stop, and that's what you need to understand. And yeah, so don't buy now. Please be just wait, okay, guys. Yeah, you guys have to wait, okay. We have to wait, and then, like I say, if you get above, okay, sure. But let's say if we go, we dump hard, okay. This structure is gonna cancel. Say we drop really hard, we're gonna forget about this, and we're not gonna aim for $75,000 anymore, okay. So we're gonna aim. Let's say we go all the way back to like 50k to 48. We're gonna look for a bounce, okay. We're still gonna pay the long over here in this area, okay. But we're just gonna look for the bounce, okay, like at 65k, and then we're gonna look for a down again. And then if you get something like this, yes, we can be a long-term buyer. And then we're gonna aim for higher price action, okay. We're gonna aim for a higher price action all the way back above here. If you get something like this, it does not mean we're gonna get it, okay. So guys, be careful with this. BTC, we're not out of the water, okay. Do not think we're out of the water, because we're not. We obviously we're not. We better wait. You guys better wait, be patient, and only if you get a big pump, like a big pump above $59,000, yes, you can get in. Because let's say I want to get, okay, let's say, guys, I'm buying here, okay. So I'm buying here. I'm convinced, okay. I'm convinced that we're going to $75,000, but usually when you convince, it's not what's gonna happen, guys, okay. So let's say I'm convinced, okay. We buy here, and guess what? Let's say we buy here. Where is that? Okay, let's say we buy here, okay. We buy here in Syria, and we're risking this. Where you gonna put your stop loss at? Okay, because you got the big risk of all this. If you wanna pay out like this, except to you, but I'm not, okay. I'm not, because you can see the SR is not too good. It's like a 1-2. It's really not too good. So I will not bet on that for sure. I will not bet on that, okay. I'm waiting between. Let's say we get above. If we get above here, we clearly get above here, okay, yes, I will put my stop loss here at $56,000, right? If not, guys, you're risking all this, you know. So I know people's gonna get trapped over here because they're gonna just buy like this, but guys, and you're gonna panic sell. And clearly, guys, right now you can see the altcoins are pumping really hard. Many altcoins are really pumping hard, but you need to understand, because ETH against BTC is actually powerful. But listen, guys, okay, if you go check Ethereum, I'm still looking for the same thing, okay. Still looking for the same thing, but does not mean we're not gonna go down, do something like this again, then one more down, then, you know. So we have to be patient, guys. You cannot just jump into a trade and be in a wish, be like just in the hope. It does not work like this, guys, okay. So yeah, for sure Ethereum, okay, buying at this prices is good, but I need to see an ending, okay. I need to see end of a structure, you know. If I need to see I have to see the selling like stopping, okay. That's not what we're seeing right now. It's not what we have right now, okay. So guys, be careful with this. Be really careful with this. Same thing with Ethereum. If you go check in a 1 hour, for my part, this in the 1 hour, it is not looking too good. It's not looking too good for me. I'm looking for at least a one more down again. So if from here, I'm expecting a down, okay. I might take a short. I'm expecting a down, one more down, then something like this, okay, one more up. Then yes, if you get something like this, like 2 more downs like this, yes, it will be nice to buy, because we're gonna be at the end of the move of the selling. But we're way too early right now. We got nothing, we got none of that. So it's really sketchy, okay. It's really sketchy right now to be a buyer here, okay. Because me as a person, I want the best price. For my part, let's say 2.9. For me, it's not a good price, okay. and you don't know. Let's say Ethereum, okay, let's say Ethereum is gonna cancel what we're looking for. Okay, let's say we cancel. So if we get a big drop like this, just like this, it's gonna cancel the entire structure, you know. And let's say we go something like this, we go more down, and then you're trapped inside of your coin, you know, of your investment, and you don't want to be into underwater. Especially me, I do not like to be underwater, so be careful with this. So if you go check the stock market, guys, stock market SP 500, stock market. Okay, guys, you guys can clearly see it. Yeah, so guys, buying BTC right now is really sketchy because the stock market, guys, look, I mean at least for all the way back below here, right? So you're still risking $100 drop from the SP 500, so it's not a good buy, guys. Really not a good buy. Okay, so $100 for BTC is a lot. It's a lot. So to be sure, if you guys want to buy in again, we have to make sure that the stock market is gonna bounce, it's gonna bottom, right? And the best area to bottom is over here, at least over here in this area. Okay, at least for a bounce. Okay, to be sure, we need at least the SP 500 to go back here. If you get something like this, right, I'm gonna expect a bounce here. Then we might do a bounce, a good bounce, like something like this, and then we might crash, or maybe go all the way back above here to do a double top. Okay, but for right now we got none of that, so it's really sketchy, and you can clearly see it to win a downtrend. Okay, that's a bird flag. We're gonna go down, even more down, 4.8. okay, we're not out of the water, so be really careful with this. And one more thing, DXY, guess the DXY is not, you can see it with the news we had today with the FOMC. Okay, he actually did drop because we did get some good news. Okay, but it does not matter, he has not changed anything to because we have now reached the target over here. Okay, guys, so for me, to be really safe, it's gonna be the same thing. I'm still looking for up to DXY, like something like this, go all the way to like 1075, and then when we get this, yes, because I'm expecting a reaction down from here. Okay, a reaction down all the way back here, then yes, one more up again to 115. So yeah, so we're not out of the water. Like the condition of the markets from every markets are not good, so you guys should not buy right now. Okay, just be patient, just chill, do something else. For me, for my part right now, I'm gonna take only shorts. I'm not gonna take any longs anymore right now. I'm only gonna take short opportunities because I don't feel safe. I really don't feel safe. And for me, like I said, we are not out of the water. As long as we stay below 59k, guys, is not a good sign. Okay, not a good sign. I'm like, you can still go down, and you do not want to buy this or take a long or whatever. You're gonna cry. Okay, that's for BTC and that's for Ethereum. Alright, let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, that's the reason why we bump into, but it does not matter. You can go all the way to over here, 53%, and then go back all the way back above. You can go all the way here, then go all the way back above one more time. Okay, we're not done yet, guys, we're not done yet. Okay, so be really careful if you go see the altcoins, guys. Altcoins, the main target is still over here. I'm still looking for this at least, right? I'm still looking for the altcoins to drop one more time to go all the way back here at least, right? And then if you get above, okay, yes, we can buy some altcoins too, same thing. Okay, for me that's only a bounce, it's a scam bounce. Be really careful with this, don't fall into the trap, and be really careful. I want to talk about BNB, guys. BNB, let me see, BNB, guys. Okay, BNB. I want to check BNB because where's my BNB? Oh no, I lost it. That's a bad sign. Yeah, ETH BTC. Okay, looks like we have top out over here. Okay, guys, seems like we have top out. So if we top out here, it's gonna be really bad for Ethereum and entire market. Okay, so we might have top out over here. As long we don't break this area over here, as long we don't get above this area and above this trend line, like over here, it's really sketchy for Ethereum. Okay, because we're risking all this drop again, all the way back over here. So this yeah, so we have seen Ethereum outperform BTC a lot recently, but guys, that's not too bullish. That's more like a bear flag. I'm expecting to go all the way back below here again. So be careful again with this Ethereum. It's really sketchy right now. Don't fall into the trap. And let's say BTC, I want to see, I mean BNB. Guess BNB, we have to watch that right now. You guys, BNB is gonna be the same thing as BTC. It's gonna daily chart, same thing. Okay, it's exactly the same thing like BTC. Okay, so I'm expecting BNB. Ooh, so it's exactly the same thing. Okay, exactly the same thing. Okay, we might have top out in BNB. If I have a short opportunity, I'm gonna take it, because I'm gonna aim for at least here, same thing as BTC. I'm gonna expect BNB to go all the way below here again, and then if it gets above, okay, I will quit my short, and then we're gonna aim for a higher price action, same thing. Okay, if not, it's gonna go down, 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 down. And for the BNB, it's a lot of stuff to go get, so we can go all the way back to like sub $300, right? So be really careful with this. We can go all the way back over here for the BNB. So if I have a short opportunity from here, I get something, let's say, oh yes, we have a small short opportunity here. So if you get something like this, then yeah, I will get in over here. I will aim all the way back below here. So be really careful with this. I think it's enough for today, guys. Not much stuff to say, but be very careful. Do not fall into the trap, and please, guys, be really careful of your investing and trading. Okay, alright, peace, guys.